Welcome to this guided soul retrieval transmission. Start by bringing yourself into a nice relaxed space. Taking some nice deep breaths. Breathing in deeply through the nose. Breathing in light from the universe around you. And taking a long, slow exhalation. Releasing anything that your body no longer needs. Deep inhalations, breathing in that light, and long, slow exhalations, breathing out any density, any emotions that are no longer serving you, any emotions that are not in alignment with universal love. Calling in your higher self, your monadic presence, your oversoul, and asking your higher self to be present with you now. And be witness to this decree of intent. Breathing in that light from the universe around you, feeling yourself relaxing deeper and deeper. The whole body, the energy body systems, the physical body systems fully relaxed. Setting an intention to release any energy from any other soul, any energy you may have absorbed from the collective world around you, any energy from your family, from loved ones, any energies that are not serving you for your highest path and purpose, and asking that all these energies be sent back to source, healed and restored, purified and cleansed. Each exhalation, visualize that energy leaving your body so that you become lighter. And each breath that you're taking in, filling yourself up with your own soul light. Drawing down that golden white light from the great central sun, bringing the energy down through the higher chakras into your crown. And bringing the energy all the way down into your heart, clearing, balancing, realigning and restoring the higher energy body systems, filling your body filling with that light. Now bringing your awareness to your feet, to your Earth Star chakra that sits about a meter below your feet, connecting the energies of your Earth Star into the crystalline core of the Earth. Into the interdimensional minerals in the very center of the planet. And start to draw the crystalline energy up from the layers and levels of the earth, up through the Earth Star chakra, up through your feet, into your body and up into your base. Bringing that energy up from the base, up through the sacral and the solar plexus, up into the heart center. As that crystalline energy moves up and fills each cell of your body, it's bringing into balance and harmony the lower earth chakras, realigning, balancing, cleansing, purifying the lower chakras, and anchoring that crystalline energy into the heart. Now bring your awareness to your higher heart center, just above the center of your chest. The higher heart is the seat of the soul. And repeating, higher self over soul. I now request a return of all fragmented parts of my soul that have become separated from this lifetime or any other lifetime, restoring all aspects of my soul that have been lost and wounded. Allow the learning experiences to remain intact so that they may be acknowledged and healed. Bring in my divine soul template into wholeness. Allow the energy around any trauma experiences to be restored across all time and space, acknowledging my soul blueprint as whole and complete for all of time. Please release any negative entanglement or fragmentation that I may be upholding from any other soul, known or unknown, retaining all lost soul energy to its divine source for acknowledgement, healing, restoration and wholeness. And so it is. It is done. My divine template is whole and complete. My divine soul template is whole and complete. My divine soul template is whole and complete. And so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Breathing that decree into your higher heart, into the seat of your soul, and embody the energy of the decree as you offer your physical vessel as a safe container for all parts of your soul to be returned to you in wholeness. You may become aware of specific memories around any experiences that you may have had where your missing parts left your body. Become aware of any sensations, any emotions, any feelings you may have as your soul is returned to you. And communicating with your inner child, or your inner adolescent. And speaking to them, and letting them know that this is a safe space. You support and hold them with love and wisdom. breathing that energy into all parts of your body, into the energy body systems, into the physical body systems, and feeling yourself as whole and complete. Begin taking deeper breaths, reversing the process, bringing your energy back into your body. Connecting at your feet, feeling the softness of the chair or the bed beneath your body. Bringing your awareness to your heart, centering and grounding. And bringing your awareness to your feet, into the Earth Star Chakra. Feeling the energy of the Earth Star anchored into the earth, feeling grounded and feeling secure and safe. And slowly bringing yourself back into the room, thanking your higher self, your oversoul, your monad,